Look at all the people in the chat. Welcome, Midna, Nobody, Dada. So many awesome people. Nikki, welcome. Time for me to become Spider-Man. Oh man, I've been dying to play this game. Hey Julian, hey everybody's here. How is everyone doing? I haven't streamed for a while. I've been very busy trying to get back into the streaming routine. You know how it is. So I've been dying to play this game for a very long time. And the thing is, they're no longer selling it on the PSN, I think. I couldn't find it on Steam either, so I had to pirate it. Going to cosplay. Maybe I should. Maybe next time I'll do it with the face cam and I'll cosplay. Yes, because I do have the Spider-Man shirt. Hey, V4. Hi, Robbie. Alright, so, what was I saying? I don't know. I ramble so much about everything. Alright, let me just make sure that the window is selected. Yes, it is. Alright, now I'm gonna press start. I have no idea what to expect. I'm going in blind completely. Hey, gamer, welcome. Pokemon Gen. Oh, I need to do a Pokemon again. Yeah, I need to do that. I need to. Oh, new game. I don't know what to expect. I'm going in completely blind. I heard this is human, hero, superhero. I'm going in human. I'm sorry. Please. I was thinking of somebody else, Vloggy. Sorry. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm going on it as human. I am human after all, so I'm gonna make myself some wine in the meantime. Use your web pull ability to disarm enemies. Interesting. Alright. I'm feeling cold. So yeah, I had to pirate it. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, developers, but you're no longer selling it. I couldn't find it anywhere. It's not on Steam. It's not on the PSN. Nowhere. Nobody. Nowhere. Do I press X? Oh, press to begin. I didn't see that. Press to begin. Right, here we go. Shh, cutscene.
Somebody stop that guy! He just robbed me! Hey kid, a little help?
Not my problem.
Oh, that's it. So you start off as Peter Parker, apparently. Let's see how the...
Somebody stop that dude!
Oh, let's go.
You don't care. Nobody cares till it's them.
How do you run?
Aw, you look like a sad little puppy.
How do you run?
Buddy, cheer up. We're gonna check out a killer band. You should come.
Remember, happiness is a choice.
It's Marvin. It's Marvin. How do you run? How do you sprint?
Stop at a yellow light. Who stops at a yellow light?
People who obey the law, that's who.
So is this Grand Theft?
It sounded like a gunshot.
Inspect the gunshot location. Hold on, as I need to get used to the controls. I'm not so sure what I need to do right now. Oh, that's how he sprints. Okay. Oh man, the game's up broken. Oh no!
Uncle Ben! Call an ambulance! Somebody help! Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben, hang on! Uncle Ben! Come on! No!
No! Uncle Ben!
Uncle Ben was my rock in a world where I couldn't count on anything. A world where my parents disappeared. Where a genetically modified spider bite turned me into something new. But now, Uncle Ben was gone. For his memory, for Aunt May, to make up for not stopping his killer when I should have, I had to become a man. Spider-Man. And I've done some good, put away a lot of bad guys. But I haven't found the man who killed Uncle Ben. This one more empty space in a life full of them.
Sorry, I like to be quiet during the cutscenes. I like to get immersed. So, what was I saying? Somebody said something to me. How am I doing? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And what did I have for lunch? I had chicken and mushrooms. I cooked it myself. Thanks, Vloggy. Now I want to watch Spider-Man. The Amazing Spider-Man was it's Spider-Man. So I like this game because it's not just based on the movie. I mean the characters and the voice actor, I think. But they've included a lot. I know that there's Kraven the Hunter in this game for sure, and I think there's Carnage as well. I'm not so. I mean, having Carnage in a Spider-Man game. Let's go. I'm not very happy with the frame rate and everything. Maybe I'll fix it next time. I don't know. Is he? I knew it. Yeah. There we go. But I'm going in blind.
Uncle Ben is out there somewhere. And I will find him. I'll never stop looking for Uncle Ben's killer. Never.
Alright, so how do I swing? Do I press? Oh man, look at that, it's broken! Hold... So wait, hold... with the left hand, so... Oh man, I don't like the way it looks though. Did you see that? It's kind of broken though. The graphics are a bit iffy. Can I fix that? Can I fix that? That seems broken. I don't like it. That doesn't look good.
All units, vicinity of Tompkins Square Park.
I don't like it though. I don't like the way it looks.
Male, Caucasian, blonde hair, sunglasses.
That fits the description of the guy who shot Uncle Ben. I better check it out.
Let's see if I can... Ah, man. I'm not very happy the way it looks. I'm not very happy the way it looks, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it real quick. Settings. Is there let me see, hold on. Not here though. I'm gonna close the game and reopen it because I'm not happy with how it feels. It feels very, very broken. So I should have tested this. Because the thing is, I get so excited. The Amazing Vlog. I get so excited to go in blind that I don't even test it. I'm so awful when it comes to that. But it's okay. So, give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Let's try again. So I'm gonna try to change the... So lighting... I don't know what to do. Resolution. Can I go on high? Graphics? I don't know. Launch game. Let's see if it breaks or anything. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know. Because I don't want to play a broken game. You've been geeking out on RE. I'm taking a break from RE, to be honest. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it looks better now. Continue. Nice. I don't have to go again. I don't have to see Uncle Ben die again. Where's the drinks for? It's over here. Listen, Sean. I'm gonna slurp it. Alright, I don't really slurp, but so you can hear it. Alright, let's see if it feels better now. I increased the graphics, basically. Let's see if it's better. I'm having wine, by the way. I slurped the drink and then say what I was having. I'm so rude. Let's see if it looks better now. Come on, skip the thing. Oh, okay. Doesn't feel like it's gonna be better, to be honest with you. Come on, can I skip the cutscene? No, I'm gonna have to. I'm having
The man who killed Uncle Ben is out there
Port.
somewhere.
Ruby Port.
We'll find him. I'll never stop looking for Uncle Ben's killer.
Let's see if he breaks again when he's falling down. Ah, it feels better now. No, he's not. Okay, whatever, man. Alright, I knew that. I know that. I don't know if I can fix that, but whatever. Spider-Man! Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Man, but I'm getting motion sickness!
All units. Vicinity of Tompkins Square Park. We have a robbery suspect.
It is fancy. It is kind of
Male,
fancy.
Caucasian, blonde hair, sunglasses.
That fits the description of the guy who shot Uncle Ben.
So where do I go?
Better check it out.
There we go. We got a placeholder or something, but I don't like the way it looks though. It feels like it's kind of broken. How's it looking for you guys? I don't know. Ugh. Okay. I'm so... I can't see anything!
Has anyone considered...
Spider-Man! Come on. Whee! Where is he? Five frames per second. It is a bit iffy, isn't it? I don't like the way it looks. Is this it?
Hey, Larry, these guns are heavy. How about a hand?
I set this gig up. That makes me the boss and you the hired help. So shut up and put some effort into it.
The ringleader looks like the guy who killed Uncle Ben. But I'm not sure. I need to get some pictures of him.
Alright, snap picture of that main objective. How do I do that? Open camera. What do I press? What do I press for camera? No, that's the options. Definitely not. Open camera. What do I press?
Let's get a good look at this guy's ugly face.
And then what? How do you snap the picture? There we go.
Beautiful shot.
And then what? And then what? How do you...
That's not who I'm after. Something's wrong.
Locate danger. Man, being Spider-Man is so complicated. Where's the danger? I don't see. Earth account to reveal threat.
Glad I trusted my instincts.
Oh, it's the Black Cat!
Spider-Man? Hell with it, kill him!
Not gonna happen. Not this time, pal. Didn't I already fight you? Or do you have no original... whatsoever? Not again! Did you just expect me to stand there?
The combat is alright, more or less. Anybody else? Hey, Angelo, welcome! Nice to see you. Tap B to app shoot.
pretend you know what you're doing? Huh, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Hey!
Get me down!
Ivan, welcome.
Get from here!
Quiet. Let me see your hands.
See?
Huh. It's your lucky night. You're not the guy I'm after. Unless you had a tattoo removed.
No, man, no. I'm afraid of needles. And heights. So how about let me down, huh?
Relax, you're fine.
What?
Until the webbing dissolves. But, you know, the cops will find you by then.
Please, what do you
Probably.
want? Maybe I can help you find who you're looking for. Just put me on the ground, yeah?
Guess the jails all have the same fashion magazines, because there sure are a lot of criminals who look like you.
Huh?
I'm trying to find this one.
Yeah, I seen that guy.
Oh.
He sells guns to my boss, Herman Schultz.
Lying will not improve my mood.
Yeah, I swear. Mr. Schultz is doing a deal right now. Look, I don't know if it's with him, but he's buying enough firepower to take on an army, man.
Army? Which army?
The Russians, man. They arm up, we arm up. Scary times, man. You gotta be ready for anything, you know what I'm talking about?
Tell me where to find Schultz, okay? Maybe I'll upgrade your accommodations to a fire hydrant.
Yeah.
What do you say? Sounds pretty cush. Huh? Got a deal?
Sorry, I want to be quiet during the cutscenes. This came out... Well, I mean, it came out on the PS Web Rush. What do I do? What do I do? Alright, so that's how it's done. Okay. This came out on the PS4 a while ago. But it's no longer on... It's no longer on the store or anything. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the construction site.
Gotta head to that construction site if I'm gonna find this
Over
Herman
there, let's
Schultz
go!
guy.
Whoa, I'm dizzy. Whoa. I'm playing this on the PC though, because it's not even on Steam anymore. Nothing. They removed it off the PSN, they removed it off Steam, everything. So I decided to pirate it. What can you do?
I've heard conflicting arguments about my... I judge people. Snap! Now that the cops cracked down, every crew in the city's running low on guns. This'll give us a hell of an advantage. You mean us?
But I don't like the way it looks. I think I didn't configure it properly or something.
How about I take the guns? I don't think you guys are qualified to use them responsibly.
Let me try something else. Hold on. Alright. Hey Jason, hi and bye. Sorry I didn't see you coming in. But welcome and bye. Have a great time, I guess. Alright, let me see if I can do this real quick. Maybe it's better over here? Maybe it runs better? Let's see. Alright. I don't know. We'll try. We're gonna get in troubles. Alright, so let's see if it looks better now. Hold on. I need to make sure that it still runs fine on OBS. Alright, here we go. Spider sense to find the crates. Use the spider sense. Alright.
You cannot win! Only die!
What up, Jason? Alright, so is it like this?
What? Hey, will you be my arch enemy? Psych! Bet that's kind of gross for you, which I find hilarious.
This is awesome! I love the combat! I can't wait for the Spider-Man PS4 to come out. Now web the crate. Like this.
We're all better off if no one gets their hands on that ammo.
Spider to find. Okay, more crates.
If I focus, maybe I can sense where the other ammo crates are.
Walk away while you can still walk!
How do I switch off the spider sense? This looks bad. I can't see anything. There we go.
I think I made my point.
Oh, sorry, I was looking away. Before I web the crates. Hold on, is there somebody else? No, we're good. Hold on. Why does it keep grunting or anything? I don't know. Hold on, because I'm not too happy about the... Chat is not scrolling down. What the heck, chat? Alright, here we go. Did they remove the game from legal reasons? I have no idea.
Let's go for the hat trick.
Spider sense. Somebody's getting beat down there.
Service here is terrible. I demand to speak to your manager.
Mr. Schultz, don't worry.
I think I'm gonna get this on the PS4 because I need to find a hard copy though. There has to be another crate there somewhere though. See ya, V4. Thank you so much for dropping by though. I prefer the Spider-Man cartoons from the 90s actually. Oh, there it is. It's over there. Hold on, switching off the power.
This is why they never invite me to gang wars. I ruin all their fun.
I think this guy is gonna become the Shocker eventually. This guy.
Ah, you must be Schultz. Your goon said you were ugly, but whoa! He was being charitable.
Think you can take me, huh, freak? Well, I'm not gonna make it easy for you.
Oh, come on. All your friends did.
You just bought yourself a ticket to hell!
What does it say? In combat, while they tingle heads... hold on. In combat, the white tingle on Spidey's head indicates attacks are coming from afar. Press to dodge out of danger. Okay, so like this. Or like this.
Oh no! I'm so scared!
And
not.
I'll beat his arm. Ah man, the controls!
Yoink!
You're gonna pay for that, bug!
I tell you, you have other options in life?
I'm not a fan of the DC comics, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, Julian. But I don't like the DC comics.
I'm begging you, man. Look, don't kill me like the others. We can make a deal.
Others?
Yeah, I've got money, guns. Just tell me what you need, huh?
I hear you do business with this guy.
Sure. What do you want to know? Huh?
What does the tattoo signify? Tell me about the gang war, finish conversation, identify Ben's killer.
Who's the man in the picture, huh?
Carradine. Don't know if that's his real name, huh? He sells guns without those annoying background checks.
Where do you meet him?
I mean, it's different each time. You put the word out you want to make a deal, he calls. Always on a disposable cell phone. He's a real paranoid fella, you know? Yeah. He must have a guilty conscience. Come on, we got a deal? Huh?
Tell about the gang war.
Why can't you and the Russians play nice?
Huh? Are you kidding? After what they've been doing to our people, then my guys feel like they have to escalate. You know, it's bad for business. But what are you gonna do, huh?
Stop it, and you're gonna tell me how.
I'm not sure you can. You ask me, it's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better, huh?
Russians in NYC. Yeah, my friend invited me to that game. It's a free game, isn't it? Alright, so I'm gonna finish the conversation because I don't care what the tattoo signifies, but let's wrap it up.
You want the guy in the picture, huh? Look for a gun dealer in Alphabet City. Okay, he goes by Carradine. I think I got his latest number here in my phone.
Wait, don't!
Stupid! I was so desperate for answers, I let him play me like an amateur.
Alrighty then. I'm enjoying this game, just not enjoying the quality. Feels a bit laggy, kind of frame rate wise, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, here we go. So,
like Captain Stacy used to say, use the little fish to catch the big ones.
So you've just increased the effectiveness level of Spider-Man's suit by beating thugs and completing missions. That's how it works, apparently. Spidey gains XP for the suit he's currently wearing, which will eventually lead to an increase in level and make his abilities more powerful than ever. Open full menu. So how do we do that? Is it like this? Alright. And catch Empire State. I should fly to the swing to the Empire State Building. I'm a big fan of the Empire State Building. Alright, web shoot. Oh, so I can upgrade. Ah, okay. I don't care about the spider sense. The efficiency. Weapon jam. Alright, but now, for now I'm not gonna upgrade anything really. What's this? Utilities? Oh, this is just the thing. Find the communication tower. That's over there. Let's go. 1, 2.
Either I find the cell phone tower and hack it, or I have to stalk every person in this neighborhood. Yeah, I think I'll go with A. When are people gonna learn it's Spider-Man? The hyphen is important.
I'm so confused! Where do I go? There we go. Crawl. And jumps. Web rush.
These guys are serious about security. I've got to disable their encryption systems before I can hack the tower. I bet if I get close, I'll sense it.
So I can see like those 3 over there. Just 3, right? Okay. Let's go. So how do I destroy the jammer? Oh, like this. There we go. I didn't destroy anything, you see? That's how it's done. There's one over there. And the next one's over there. Let's go. I think Nightbot switched off Nerdy Nikki. I think it's the first time I ever called you Nerdy Nikki.
Okay, Alphabet City. Talk to me.
I was gonna call you Nerdy and then I went Nikki. I called you both. Alright, so open Manhattan map. And then where do I go? What am I doing? Accomplish heroic deeds by improve Spider-Man's reputation. I don't care about my reputation. I don't care what people think about me, okay? I wear a mask, nobody knows my identity. Accomplishing heroic deeds will improve Spider-Man's reputation and provide bonuses to the capabilities of the suit. Let crime grow rampant, however, and the Daily Bugle J. Jonah Jameson won't hesitate to destroy Spider-Man's public image. Heroic events will appear now and then in the city. After a while, after each event will enter a critical stage, and from that point you will have to hurry to reach it, or else Spidey will be held accountable for his inaction. What? What?
What's wrong with guns? I thought you were into arson.
Yeah, but these days everyone's strapped. You can't set a peaceful fire no more without some punk from another crew.
Sarge! Alright, I got you covered. Swing by the alley behind Jazzy Johnny's nightclub. Hey, cash only.
That could be Carradine. Time for old Spidey. Clubbing.
What's the deal with Spider-Man?
I'm Spider-Man! In this alley, over here. Whoa, look at that.
That's not Carrie. But whoever he is, I can't let him put more guns on the street.
The spider! Let's not fight. Ah, never mind. Let's fight.
I love it.
Okay, so I'm showing off.
I'm still getting this game for the PS4.
I'll buy a drink. A Molotov cocktail.
Your call, Spider-Man. Chase us or let those people burn.
Seriously, I don't think there's much demand for barbecued spider.
What the heck? Come on, man, get in there.
Good thing my costume protects me. But not enough. Ah, and me without my marshmallows.
How do you destroy the door? Alright, there we go. I don't see anybody! Somebody over there.
Hey, help! My glasses are all fogged up.
Oh, is that?
Ow, 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 ow!
And look, it's Stan Lee! It's Stan Lee! How do I drop him off? Come on! Get off me! Get off me! Alright, over here. That's Stan Lee!
Oh boy, much obliged, Spidey.
Anytime, Stan.
Hey, how'd you like me to call the Daily Bugle and tell them that Jameson is full of it?
I'm not gonna stop you. So long.
I just rescued Stan Lee. How weird is that?
Head over to the comic stand and check in on Stan.
Alright, let's see. Good job on saving people from the fire. I'm on the story. Be sure to check it out. Okay. Map. Alright, so that's what we need to do. What do I do? Can I place a marker? Yeah, I can. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know why, but it feels like...
There he is! Quite a striking figure, isn't he?
There we go. I'll do that, Ivan. I'll do that in a sec. Enter the comic stand? Yeah, sure, why not? I'm going in as Peter Parker, okay. So anyway, yeah, I don't know why, but the quality, for some reason, is not... I don't know if... I mean, it is pirated, yes, but I don't know. I'm not very entirely satisfied with the way the game looks. The performance, I mean.
Peter?
Hey, Stan.
Oh, welcome back, true believer. Gosh, I haven't seen you in the store since... I can't say it enough. I am so sorry about your Uncle Ben. Oh, he was a good man. He was the best.
Thanks. Thanks. I was just remembering how we used to come in together. After the mess I made house-sitting for you, I felt kind of bad.
Oh, water under the bridge. Hey, can't I get you anything? Some Merry Marvel mayhem to get the old pulse pounding?
Nah, I was just passing by, but I'll come back.
Well, enough said. Anytime you need inspiration, I'll be right here.
I really like that, you unlock various figures in the adventure. Oh, I don't care about these things. I don't care. And it's cool that Stanley owns a comic book store, you know, all Marvel and stuff. Hey, do you have any Batman? Ah, a coin operated machine. Activision. Oh, interesting.
Come to Papa.
I want to play this. It's a Spider-Man game.
So, my old enemy.
Insert coin. Ah, what is this?
This'll keep my hand-eye coordination sharp.
Wave 1.
You know, I hear jail's a lot nicer
so it's
now.
just
The toilets have seats and everything.
Hey, Toby! I'm done with this. Go back to the comic book store. I don't want to play this. I want to play the actual story, not this. I thought it was going to be like a retro game or something, but whatever. Alright, I wonder if they have a system where you take pictures and you live up your lenses or something. I don't think so. How are you, Toby? Vloggy, can do whatever Spider do and stuff like that.
What's great about this is the only thing I hurt will be my pride.
How can I improve the performance? I'm gonna close the game one more time, alright? Sorry about this. I wanna close the game one more time and reopen it again and see if I can change the specifications once again. V-Sync, in-depth field, I don't know these. Motion blur, depth of field, full screen, no. Resolution, graphics, preset, I set it as high, shadows, draw distance low, I don't know all this. Effects, maybe I'll switch it to medium, I don't know what all this is. Anti-aliasing, it's on medium, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna set it on high. Anthroposcopic filtering, I don't know what this is. 16 times, I don't know. Launch game, let's see. Let's try again. I don't know. Ah, man. Hold on. Switching real quick to my other monitor. Let's see if it makes any difference. The important thing that it loads just fine. Let's try again. Let's see. No, still looks a bit jittery. I don't know. I need to look for settings, like how to make it feel better and smooth and stuff. It doesn't feel very smooth. I don't know. I know if I bought it on the PS4, I won't have that problem for sure. And that's why I prefer console gaming over PC gaming, to be honest with you, because all those
Video Spidey is smarter than me. He charges $1/4 to fight crime.
It's actually worse now. It's actually worse.
So, my old enemy, we meet again.
It's actually worse. No, I don't like this. Sorry about this, guys. I'm very sorry, but I want to give you the best viewing experience, you know? Sorry about this. What's this? Input mappings. This is just for the controller. Never mind. So this from 16, I'm going to go back to ×4. I'm going to go on medium. Graphics preset, custom. Let's go on high. Ah, this is the preset for the... Ah, okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's try again. It's like presets now. Maybe it will help. I don't know. What do I know? Let's see. Is it better? Let's see if it's better.
What's great about this is the only thing I hurt will be my pride.
It's still jittery. Look at that. I don't like it. No. No, 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 no. Alright. Sorry about this. I am so sorry. But so what if I go on low? I don't want to go on low settings though. It's gonna look awful. It's gonna look crappy. Let's see. We'll see. We shall see. I have a very good gaming PC, so it's not because my computer cannot handle it or anything like that. Definitely not. Definitely not. I feel like I shouldn't have touched it. It was working fine before, and I feel like I've made it worse. I don't know. Who knows?
Okay, let's give this a try. Hey, does my butt really look like that?
It's jittery, my goodness, why?
So, my old enemy, we meet again.
I don't know. Let's get out of here. Maybe. Yes. Let's get out of here. Maybe. Your Wi-Fi died a second. Oh no! That's not good. Yeah, but this is why I hate PC gaming. It's like you have to configure it for the best. But then again, this is a pirated copy, so I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with that. I don't know.
So I says to him, one, meat lovers. Okay, in what world does meat lovers mean mushrooms?
Yeah, way, and I'm like, nuh-uh, and she's all like, yaha, it's so true.
This is Carradine. What do you need?
Firepower, man. It's getting crazy out there, you know what I'm saying? We need some serious boomstick, and they say you're the guy that can make that happen.
Alley behind Nuno's bar, 2 hours.
Let's see. Having increased the gripping strength of your web shooter's clamping mechanism, Spider-Man can apply more force to his web when swinging, making him bounce faster or higher. Okay, so do I upgrade it? Why not? Man, it looks awful though. I don't like it. Oh, man. I don't like the way it looks. It looks crappy. He disappears. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but whatever. I'll look it up and I'll try to fix it because... Hey, look, it's the Empire State Building over there. Look at that. Let's go.
End of the line, by web anyway.
I really don't like the way it looks. I'm not happy with the performance.
Wait, you gonna count that? I thought we had trust.
You're funny. Hey, what's that?
Stop!
Come on! Move over!
Hostage. Not good.
Alright, let's go.
No way am I letting you kill anyone else.
Spider-Man! Help me! Please!
Shut up or I'll shut you up! Calm her down, damn it! I swear I will kill the both of you!
I know, Uncle Ben. Hostage comes first.
Oh no! Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna make it! I'm a terrible superhero! Come on! Jump down the car! What is it? I lost the car! Oh man! Oops, wrong way.
Find another way.
No! I failed. But I'm so disappointed about the way the game is performing. Oh, man. I'm gonna close it one more time. Because I'm not satisfied. I'm sorry. I'm not satisfied with the way the game is running. Why does it look weird? Yes. Hey, how are you, Inferno? Hello to you too. It's just that, you know how PC games are. You have to... And now it's on low resolution, so it's not like... what's all this? Like... Custom, amazing. What if I set it to amazing? Launch game. Let's see. I hate PC gaming. I hate PC gaming. I'm gonna restart. You know how many times I've restarted it trying to get the best frame rate and all that. It's pirated. I agree. I mean, I admit, but still, not happy. I know how games are. I go on PCs. That's right. That's why it's running perfectly on my gaming PC. Come on. Come on. Don't get me... What's the word? Triggered. I don't know why. I don't know why. I have a very good PC. I don't know. I'm gonna have a sip of wine. Yeah, long time no stream. It's true. Let's see if it's better now. Oh wow, it's even worse. Look at that!
No way
or
am
is
I
it?
letting you kill anyone else.
Is it better? No, it's pretty much the same.
Spider-Man! Help me! Please!
Shut up or I'll shut you up! Calm her down, damn it! I swear I will kill the both of you!
I know, Uncle Ben. Hostage comes first.
Come on! What the heck? Bye, have a great time! I don't know how to do the dodging thing. No, 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 no! Where's the car? How the heck do I... No! What the heck? What just happened? You waiting for silent? Yeah, I'm gonna be playing some horror, but the thing is, I'm trying to get some good lighting first, so I can utilize my green screen properly. Because I wasn't gonna do the green screen today again, but I'd be relying on the light from the TV. And that changes all the time according to the game, you know how it is. Okay, let's go.
No way am I letting you kill anyone else.
Spider-Man! Help
Spooderman, please help! Help me, please!
Shut up or I'll shut you up! Calm her down, damn it! I swear I will kill the both of you!
I know, Uncle Ben. Hostage comes first.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. No, I messed that up! Oh, bye. Have a swim.
Now, people are in trouble.
Have a swim. Come on, let's try it again. Let's retry it right away. Oh, can I not restart? Yes. Yes. Oh man. It still looks weird, doesn't it? I went for the best settings now, but I don't know. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the performance. I don't know why. I don't know why. Try again.
No way am I letting you kill anyone else.
Spider-Man! Help me! Please!
Shut up or I'll shut you up! Calm her down, damn it! I swear I will kill the both of you!
I know, Uncle Ben. Hostage comes first.
What do I press? Which button is LB? Because it says LB. Oh, it doesn't say. Nice. Settings, controls, controls. scheme LB. Which one is LB? LB. Left trigger, left bumper. So it's this one. Web pull. RB. Finally! Because the thing is, I don't know the controls. I'm supposed to be playing on an Xbox controller, but... Alright.
You okay?
Just shaken up. Get that psycho!
Oh, I'm gonna get that psycho. Let's go.
I promise, Uncle Ben. I promise he won't get away this time.
Come on, just jump down. Do some swing in action. Oh, come on. Come on, Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Oh man, I just realized I need to... Let's go get him. Let's get a good view. And that way.
Gotta find another way. One day nobody's... He can't have gotten far.
Did he crash? He crashed. Huh? He's bleeding.
My God.
911, what is your emergency?
I need to report a dead body.
So, I forgot how to open the camera.
I thought about a cape, but that would be silly.
Alright, I took some pictures. Now what? Now what? I'm done with this. Now what? I'm done. What? Now what? Get out of here. Take a pic of the CK. Oh! Oh!
Sometimes I wonder what would have happened if I'd been bitten by a hedgehog.
Alright, so it needs to be very specific. What? Oh, okay, it turns into green whenever I need to take the picture of the thing. There we go. It turns green. Thank you, Tara. Thank you so much. Zoom. Cha-ching!
Perfection.
Perfection.
If I get spotted, this is gonna get ugly. Gotta move faster.
Gotta go fast. Calvin Klein. Is it Calvin Klein? CK.
Aunt May's gonna hear about this sooner or later, and I don't want her to be alone when she does. Nothing to web.
I need to get this on the PS4. I'm not happy with the way it's performing on my PC. Stupid PC gaming. Where's True? very iffy the way it's performing as well. But then again, I couldn't find it on Steam, so I pirated it, so... What's that over there? It's a comic book page. No, 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 I want to get that! Ah, man. The swing or whatever. Let's forget about it.
Some days I want to tell Jonah Jameson who I really am, just as... Been a while since I checked in on Aunt May. I should swing by the old homestead.
So have you played this, Tara? Sounds like you have. You haven't? Alright, so how did you know it was the CK? I'm impressed. What the heck? Come on, just go! Come on, just go! Get to the chopper now! You guessed? That's a good guess. I was impressed. That's what I'm talking about. Return home? I should, apparently. Let's go. Now we're gonna meet old Aunt May. Hey, Peter! I've made you some tea! Peter, stop taking pictures of that dreadful Spider-Man!
The guy who killed Uncle Ben is gone. You'd think that would bring me some peace. But I don't feel peaceful. Not even close.
Check your wardrobe or browse through the selection of Spidey suits. Nice! Replay animations of the game by looking for the pictures. I don't care. What is this? So I have this one. Is this the Iron Spider suit? Look at that. He's not gonna do the dance again. Cosmic Spider suit. Vigilante. Ah, memories. My first costume. I mean, I guess I could put it on again for old time's sake. Disco, disco. Oh, man. Sometimes I imagine myself as a billionaire playboy philanthropist who still doesn't take a break from his responsibilities as a crime fighter. Not only would my rich guy suit look red and gold and remarkably more metallic, it would also be able to transform its appearance any way I like. At least I can handle the first appearance. Whatever. Let's go back to the regular costume. Disco, disco, good, good. Disco, disco. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's speak to Aunt May. Aunt May! Aunt May, some smoothie, a smoothie and some Oreos, please. Now! There she is, watching TV as always.
Police confirmed tonight that there's a serial killer on the loose, one with a unique twist. He hunts other killers. His latest victim is Dennis Carradine, a convicted murderer and arms dealer. Carradine has been identified as the perpetrator in last year's shooting of Queens resident Benjamin Parker. Some New Yorkers we spoke to applaud the fact that violent criminals are being taken off the streets.
Hey, somebody wants to clean up the trash. I say more power to them.
But police caution that the perpetrator is a threat to everyone.
This individual is a dangerous psychopath. He commits acts of extreme carnage and brutality, leaving the initials CK written in blood as a signature. The crime scenes are so gruesome, they shock even veteran officers.
Due to the letters and the horrific nature of the crimes, authorities are calling this man the Carnage Killer.
Carnage?
Anyone with information should call the police immediately. This is Whitney Chang for the Daily Bugle News Network.
Horrible. But at
It's
least
Cassidy, it
finally
is
over.
Carnage. It's Cletus Cassidy,
The man who took
CK.
Ben from us won't ever hurt anyone again. Maybe now we can move on. Peter? What's the matter?
Is it wrong to be thankful he's dead? If he performs in front of one... What? Isn't it? No, it's Cletus Cassidy, the Carnage. That's why, apparently.
Aunt May, the truth is, I'm glad he's dead. I know that's wrong.
You're relieved a bad man can't hurt anyone else. That's different. You're glad a murderer was brought to justice. There's nothing wrong with that.
I know. It's just,
Part of you wishes you're the one who did the bringing to justice?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
That's not what Ben would have wanted.
I didn't.
He wanted you to work hard, graduate, go to college, all the things you did. Wherever he is, he's very proud of you, and so am I.
Am I a bad person?
I wish for bad things to happen to this Carradine guy. A lot.
That's perfectly natural. He killed your uncle.
Yeah, but...
Peter Parker, it's bad enough you feel guilty about Ben. I won't let you beat yourself up over this. Why would it be your fault? Did you kill that man?
No.
He was a criminal. He associated with awful people. It's not as if you had any control over that. What could you have done?
Oh, I see. Okay, I don't really care how she's feeling, Aunt May. So I'm gonna finish the conversation.
You heard Whitney Chang. Some people are grateful to the Carnage Killer. I kinda know how they feel.
I don't
That's
know. I
not the
didn't know
same
this.
as condoning it. You're not glad this Carnage person is out there murdering, are you? You want him taken off the streets, don't you?
Yes. Yeah, I do. And he will be. Aunt May, can you turn that up?
We have breaking news of a hostage situation at Oscorp. Armed men are holding several employees at gunpoint.
Oh, no.
Security camera footage has identified the ringleader as career criminal Herman Schultz.
Schultz?
What?
Gwen. She still interns at Oscorp.
At the office this late?
No, but I should make sure.
That's a good idea. I always thought you two never should have split up.
Don't wait up for me.
I always do.
I think it's Andrew Garfield that voices the character here. Not that I care, to be honest with you, but... not that I care. But I think this game is well made, except for the performance issues that I'm having on my laptop.
It's my fault Schultz got away. If he hurts anyone... No.
Let's
Not
go!
This time. Holy... I've got to get up there. Oh, man. People are gonna need help.
Russian gangsters.
Russians? I was expecting Schultz's guys. Okay, so I'm showing off.
It is different fighting them too bad.
Oopsie. How do I do this? How do I disarm them? I forgot.
No more tricks. Now you must fight.
Gotta move that rubble so I can get in. Better clear all this wreckage.
Web pull. Antroscorp, yes. Originally I was gonna play the first Spider-Man game on the PS1. Well, it looks too bad now. It doesn't look that good anymore. How do I do this? He can fit. Vlad can do it.
Just because I'm not fat like
Stealth takedown.
I webbed your nostrils open so you won't snore. No need to thank me.
Web shoots. And web rush. Oh, okay. There we go.
As far as the vents are gonna take me.
Enter world on perch mode. What?
What's your name?
Max Dillon.
Okay, Max. Easy choice. Tell us where to find the weapons, or you die.
I'm an electrical engineer. I don't have access to those areas.
Then it's a bad day to be you, eh, Max?
Hey, will you be my arch enemy? Psych!
You are all fashion, no
Whoopsie.
Someone here.
Sometimes I even impress myself.
You guys are free, come on. Go away. Come on, just go. I freed you. Go. I don't feel like, but whatever. Let's play the audio log. What do I do? Do I press 1? Oh, look at that! It's the vulture's wings. Oh, hello, sir.
Didn't I already fight you?
Oh, you didn't see me there.
No original moves whatsoever. Keep talking about a weapon. I bet my last web, Schultz is heading for the Special Projects Division.
Rescue Max Dillon. Max Dillon eventually is going to become Electro.
You're Mr. Spider-Man.
Just Spider-Man. Mr. Spider-Man was my father.
Max. Max Dillon. I'm in R&D.
Well, Max, I need you to help me out. Be my eyes and ears. Can you do that?
Really? I mean, yes. I won't let you down.
Good. Get the hostages out through stairwell C. It's all clear. I really appreciate the help, partner.
Partner?
Warning. Core overheating. Blast doors engaged. Evacuate immediately. This is not a drill.
Where'd he go?
They've damaged the power core. It's overloading.
Then what? The lights go out?
This building's powered by an experimental fission reactor. If it explodes, we all die.
Great. Where is it?
With the blast door shut, there's only one way to reach it. These conveyors are bringing containers of extra coolant to the core. You can stick to things, right? Huh.
Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can do this.
Max was right. This is huge. And if it blows, it'll leave a great big hole in the middle of Manhattan. Now I need to find the coolant systems.
Come on, what the heck?
Now I need to find the coolant systems.
Yeah, come on, it's up there. Now what? Where are they?
Oh, I can release the coolant from here.
Okay, so web pull. Is that it? Down there? Yes, looks like it. Let's go. Alright.
Go, go, go! Damn Russians! Blow them away!
What are they doing here? Take cover! Get them!
This is bad. they get their hands on those weapons, it will only get worse. Too many of them. I need to be smart about this.
We are dinosaurs. You are dinosaurs. We are the future.
Stick your nose in and it'll get shot off.
Who else? Who else? Anybody else?
Nice dental work. Sorry I have to break it.
Got the spider. Spider-Man. Hell with it. Kill him.
Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I got 4 of those to seal.
No animals were hurt. That guy's on the other hand.
I see him. Come on, show me what you got.
I'm low on health, I just realized. I'm very low on health.
Okay, so I'm showing off. Stick around a while. See, because I said stick and never mind.
He was smart. He was run. Help! I see him.
Could you maybe pretend you know what you're doing?
No more tricks. Now you must fight. You are all flesh and no substance.
No! Come on, I don't have to do this again, do I? Probably. Probably. Ah, come on. It's my first death. Womp womp. That's okay. Try again.
Go, go, go!
Damn Russians! Blow them away!
What are they doing here? Take cover! Get them!
They're busy fighting each other. I can use the time to disable these weapons. The only way this works is if I stay out of sight.
Come, Spider-Man.
I tell you, you have other options in life, but I'm not really sure you do.
Maybe I will. Did I just level up? Okay. Come on, two. I mean, if I want to play Gears of War, then again, if I want to play Gears of War, might as well play, what's it called? Resident Evil 5. I like games with a lot of cutscenes, sir. I'm a sucker for cutscenes.
Sorry I have to break it.
Kill the spider! Kill them all!
I got your perestroika right here!
Now, what else? I need to look for more.
You are stupid to interfere!
You are stupid to interfere! Uh-oh, uh-oh. There's another one up there. Come on, just get up there!
You are stupid to interfere!
Hey!
Fellas, I got wait your turn, bud. We'll get to you.
Oh, you're all hat and no catch.
There's another one over there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Didn't I already fight you? Or do you have no original moves whatsoever?
Put some time into it, you love the characters. Probably. Alright, that's 3. One more, I see it, down there. Let it up there, come on!
Hey, Grigori! Was that you? This is none of your concern, idiot!
Come on, just fight!
I'll remember this. Not the fight, just how bored I am. Don't try that at home.
Quickly now, quickly, beep, beep, beep. Ah, crap. Who shot me? Where are you? Let's try this again. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Done. This is Shocker.
Ah, Herman, you came back. Must have seen my misconnections ad.
You think I'd skip town? Give New York to freaks like you? No way! I just needed an equalizer. And now? I've got it!
He became the Shocker.
Say hello to the seismic harness construction resource. Or, as I like to call it, the Shocker!
Defeat Shocker.
I tell you, you have other options in life? I'm not really sure why.
Oh, can I dodge it or not?
You're using it as a weapon? Come on, Herman. Think outside the box. You'll make a fortune selling milkshakes.
Yes, it is a laptop, yes. It's a gaming laptop though. Oopsie.
Now I'm getting queasy. If you make me throw up in my mask, I'm sending you the dry.
Am I even dodging? Whoa, 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 I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Jail's a lot nicer now. Toilets have some.
Whoa, whoa, need to be careful. Okay, need to be more careful. Okay, no problem. I'm enjoying the Shocker though. Enjoying the boss. That explains the underperformance. What do you mean the underperformance? It's a gaming laptop. It should handle these kind of stuff. Come on. Shouldn't explain it. No, this is an old game actually. 2014 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 2014. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got hit. First damage. That's a lot of damage.
You're using it as a weapon? Come on, Herman. Think outside the box. You can make a fortune selling milkshakes.
Just wait till I get used to these things. You're a dead man!
No, 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 no!
I'm getting queasy. If you make me throw up in my mask, I'm sending you the dry cleaning bill.
I'm not letting nut jobs like you take over my city!
Nut job? What? Yeah, I'm not the one calling my weapon the Shocker without a trace of irony.
Oh, come on, come on.
Glamour power!
Oh,
Second thoughts?
Where'd he go? Which one? Ah, crap. I'm danger again! Crap, I'm almost dead! I died. Come on, getting closer and closer. So if you're using the same PC to capture the footage and stream, of course I am. You can't stream. What do you mean? If you're playing the game on the PC, you need to stream it from the same PC. Try again. We can do this, buddy. We can do this.
I can't work under these conditions. Your breath reeks. You're using it as a weapon? Come on, Herman. Think outside the box. You can make a fortune.
Jump!
Just wait till I get used to these things. You're a dead man!
Now I'm getting queasy. Make me throw up in my mask and the dry cleaners.
Crap, I cannot dodge that. No, I cannot dodge that. I don't know why.
I'm not letting nutjob like you take over my city!
Nutjob? Yeah, I'm not the one calling my weapon the Shocker without a trace of iron. What planet is that called fighting?
Oh, he got me. Where'd he go? No, wrong one! I don't know how to.
Nice dental work. Sorry I have to break.
Almost there.
This whole building down on you if I have to!
That might not be a bad thing with all the nasty stuff they make here, but it's built to survive a 9.5 earthquake, so yeah, don't hold your breath. It's a win. This one, not my favorite. A shake for breakfast, a shake for lunch, and a sensible smack upside the head for dinner.
Let's put it stress on the laptop. But still.
You can't lock me up, man. The Russians can get to me inside.
You might be able to make a deal with D.A. Harper for protective custody, if you help stop this gang war. Innocent people are getting caught up in it.
I can't! It's bigger than me now. All the gangs in the city are at war. Everyone's scared of everyone else.
I cannot even read the thing at the bottom, but let's try it.
What are all you tough guys so afraid of?
The Carnage Killer! He's murdering my people, huh? The Russians? Hammerhead's crew? Mr. Negative's men? Everyone thinks the other guys are paying him. I'm starting to worry he's some kind of freak. Like that giant lizard a while back. Or
Let me live, Wraith, no way.
robots.
Really?
So, as long as he's out there killing, the gang war goes on.
And it gets worse.
Hello, Big Boss, and Cheer, and Trevor. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I'm playing some Spooderman. I'm Spider. Hey, me! Hello! I'm Spider-Man. Don't tell anybody I'm Spider-Man, though. Okay, please? Thank you. We're interrogating the Shocker. We just trashed him. And, what did you want at Oscorp?
So, you
hey, Serenity, welcome.
Absolutely. Guns won't do it anymore. Everybody wants an ace that the others don't have. The kind of fighter power that you can.
Hello, Jamie. Welcome.
With.
And I bet they don't care who
Thank you so much for the raid, Amy. I appreciate that.
That's why they call them bad guys.
Did you finish, Saw? Tell me about the Russian. Tell me about the Russians. Tell me about the Russians. I cannot do it.
The Russians got here at almost the same time you did.
I know. One of my guys must have dropped a dime.
Now that your future looks, let's go with limited. What'll they do?
Keep arming up. Take out what's left of my men and everybody else in town. They're ruthless. I promise you. By the time they're done, you'll wish you had Herman Schultz back.
Let's finish the conversation. Let's wrap it up.
Unless you want to go for a butt-whipping hat trick, you'll tell the cops everything you know about the gang.
Thank you for subscribing,
okay,
Jamie.
But it won't do any good.
Thank you so much.
The city's full of trigger-happy wise guys scared the Carnage Killer's gonna get them. That's one fire that's just gonna keep on spreading, huh?
You know, as much as I made fun of these things, they're pretty clever. I could get this kind of kinetic energy into my webbing.
Now who's the thief, huh?
You got wrecked. Hello, Heavy Metal. Welcome. Thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate that. Hey, Silverdrift. Welcome. So, the SHCR tech stolen by Shocker inspired Spidey to upgrade his web shooters, okay, giving him the ability to shoot a powerful vibrating blast that will knock back enemies. Thank you. Alright, so do I have to upgrade? I don't feel like upgrading it, but... What? Ah, slingshot. I want the slingshot. Let's do it. We might need this. There we go. Stefan! Hello, Stefan! Long time no see, buddy. How are you?
You know Oscorp.
Oh, it's the Kingpin.
I'm Harry Osborn. When my father died, he didn't just leave me a business. He left me a New York institution. But too often lately, both Oscorp and this city have been preyed on by criminals. Now today, I'm announcing a joint venture with a man who, like me, recently returned to the city where he was born and wants to help. Wilson Fisk.
It's the Kingpin.
New York made me the man I am. Now, I want to give something back. It was my privilege to rebuild this great city after recent crises, but that was just the start. Allow me to introduce you to the Enhanced Crime Task Force. Now, the police are doing a fine job with limited resources, but when they face threats outside their normal scope, they need more, and we have provided.
Look how big he is compared to Harry Osborn. Look at that.
Rather than increase the burden on taxpayers, Mr. Fisk and I are financing this hand-picked task force ourselves. Vigilantes like Spider-Man only make the problem worse. This is our city, and we're taking it back together.
Look at the hand sizes! That was too much.
Willing to take Oscorp off your hands, young man?
And my answer is still no.
Well, that's fine. I'll just wait until you die of the disease that killed your father.
How cool is that? Yeah, we need to catch up. Stefan, definitely. I'll drop by one of these days. I'll drop by when you're working. So yeah, I'm playing this game. I've been meaning to play this game for a very long time. And the thing is, I was just saying earlier, it's not on the Steam. It's not on the Steam. It's not on Steam anymore. They took it down. And it's not on the PlayStation Network anymore either. It's not on the PSN Store anymore either. So the only way of me getting hold of this was pirating it. But for some reason the quality is not very satisfied with the quality. I'm gonna get it for the PS4 though. I need to find a physical copy somehow. So yeah, I do apologize if the quality is not very satisfying.
Attention all task force personnel. You are authorized to begin Phase 1 of the Suppression Initiative. Repeat, Phase 1 of the Suppression Initiative is a go.
So the task force now patrols the street, and its officers won't hesitate to mark Spidey as a target if he is considered a menace. Perform heroic acts to maintain Spider-Man's heroic reputation and avoid the task force's attention. Okay. What are those?
Now's a good time to take down some bad guys, while the task force is putting heat on them.
Alright, so where do I go? So where do I go? There's a marker over there. Let's go. I'm being attacked. What the heck?
Business owner reports suspects disturbing the peace in his
The title of the stream is wrong. Why?
Did you just call the woman I love fat?
You're just a scrawny kid, ain't you?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
That's why they call me amazing.
I love the combat. I'm very satisfied with the combat.
That mask don't scare me.
Booyah!
I almost feel like
the invisible Spider-Man? Why? You can see him, no?
Neighborhood residents thanked Spider-Man for cleaning up their community, calling him, quote, one of us.
One of us, one of us, one of us. It's just Spider-Man taking a stroll. Okay, is there a marker over there? Is there more danger? Alright, let's go. I see something over there. I'm just gonna run. Yeah, he's like, yeah, he is kind of... Yeah, I know. I tried to fix it, but I don't know if... There's something over there. Let's go. Where do I go? Over there? Okay. I got no buildings to hang on to, so I'm gonna have to run. I'm jogging, I'm jogging. There's over here as well. Something's wrong over here. Yeah. Yeah, Heavy Metal. I think Cheer wants to see all of Spider-Man. All of Spooderman. Spooderman! There we go. Ooh, whoa, okay.
This just in, Webbs needs something to stick to.
You're so funny.
Gonna have to find another way.
No, you're doing good. Come on, keep going. Okay. I love the web swinging. Yeah, it works very well. What is going on here? What is going on here? Huh? What's going on? Commotion? Oh no! It's a fire truck! Hold on, hold on. What's going on? What's going on? Hold on, hold on. Let me come over there.
That's some serious heat.
Oh no!
Find the people quick.
Someone please help me!
Where's the lady? There she is.
Get down and cover your mouth.
Please! I'm trapped in here!
Ugh. Good thing my costume protects me.
You gotta stand there or help me out!
Did you see how he jumped? That's one.
Thank you! I couldn't have lasted much longer.
And me without my marshmallows. Every second counts.
Yeah, but I need to...
You know, water balloons would be a much better weapon. Would I lie to you?
I can't reach the fire exits!
That's okay, sweetheart. You're coming with me.
Thank you! I was broiling in there!
I know. I saw another guy over there. There he is. I'm coming. Oh, that's not him.
What do you say we get out of here?
I don't see him. I didn't rescue all of them. Come on, I rescued two though.
Imagine you're a fireman trying to save lives when in comes this clown swinging on a web. Is that helping you do your job? No, he's getting in the way.
Really, dude? Really, dude? Event failed. Alright, at least nothing went up though. Alright, let's go.
I'm starting to wonder why anyone would keep working at Oscorp.
You know what? I'm not gonna do another fire one. Oh my goodness, I cannot swing properly!
Alternative transportation.
Alright, so let's go this way.
Web slinging failed.
Let's see if I can do this.
I need to get the hostage out of that car right away. Get a stowaway! I have a feeling you're texting in there.
Oh, wow. Surprise! Punch you in the facey. does look fine now, doesn't it? Oh no, 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 no! No, 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 no! God dang it! Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live. Is that Gwen Stacy? She looks like Gwen Stacy.
Got the hostage out of danger.
She's not though.
Spider-Man's quick actions drew praise from police, who say he likely saved many lives.
Okay.
Car 42.
Nice.
We have reports of fighting, possibly gang-related, in Central Park, southwest corner. Can you check it out?
Central Park, southwest corner? I bet I can get there quicker than the cops.
Yeah, you can.
Just a few blocks. As the spider swings.
Let's go.
This is Whitney Chang with an editorial comment. Early polls on the Osborn-Fisk announcement show broad public support. Citizens are tired of the crime wave and have doubts about the mysterious figure known as Spider-Man, despite all the good he's done.
So what else is new?
But I've obtained the records of the officers on the task force. They show allegations of corruption and police brutality. None of it proven, but still. Are these the people we want to trust with this kind of power?
Alright, let's see. Wheel! Let's go. I'm enjoying this game. I'm definitely gonna get this on for the PS4. It's the Spider-Man!
Oh, I know what's bothering you. You think because I took down Herman Schultz, it means I like him more. That's just not true. You'll get the same up-close and personal attention. I promise. Why can't they all be like that?
There's another thug here
find the one that got away.
Yeah, there's another one that got away.
Hey, wrapping up bad guys is my thing. What the?
Oh, Craven.
I can help you? Okay, Mr. Craven the Hunter. You got my attention.
We have shots fired at the bus station. Proceed with caution. Suspects heavily armed.
Off to the bus station. Let's go!
All units, officers are under fire at the bus station. Need assistance immediately.
I'm coming, I'm coming. I hear the gunshots. There's 6 bad guys, I have to take them out. Let's go! Booyah!
Break out the armor-piercing bullet! That mask don't scare me.
I'm sorry. I went to fight the cop. Hey, you.
I see him.
I see you too.
Spider Slam! I'm still experimenting with the catchphrases. What do you think?
Glad you're back,
There we go. Boom. What's that? What the heck? Is that a boss fight? It looks like it. Alright, buddy. Let's see what you got. Hold B, seismic blast. Which one is B? Hold on. Hold on, game. Don't do this to me. B. Alright, so B is 0. Alright. Aha!
This one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you. Just send me the dry cleaning bill.
Oh wow, wow, whoa, 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 whoa.
Spider-Man!
There he is. Craven.
I like. Impressive.
Craven is a good guy in this game.
You are still raw. Inexperienced.
I was experienced enough to beat your friends.
I am Russian, but I am no friend to those pigs. My name is Sergei Kravenov. Men call me Kraven the Hunter.
So you left me that note. Huh. Judging from the web, you're one of those crazy reality show guys who runs around naked in the woods eating bugs. How can you help me?
I can make you a true hunter. Not just a boy pretending to be a man. Should you wish to accept, you may find me here. Until we meet again.
Parker, why didn't you get me pictures from the Fisk Osborne press conference?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Jameson, but I've got school. You know, life outside the job.
In my day, your job was your life. A press pass is wasted on you.
Huh. My question is, like, how do I repair?
Actually, I just got an idea for using my press pass.
I'm hitting myself right now,
Gotta
alright?
admit,
but my costume is messed up. I want
on my own.
My costume is messed up.
Someone I can trust. Craven obviously doesn't know who I really am, or he would have come to my house. I don't know. I've always worked best alone. But then again, I've never tried it any other way. If Craven can teach me his hunting techniques, I won't have to rely on police broadcasts to find bad guys. It's not like I tell Craven my real name. And I'll be on guard for any kind of double-cross. I've never had formal training in how to fight. Craven's methods could come in handy if I ever lose my powers.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of tired of the superhero music now. Like the all the time.
Transportation.
Kind of getting tired of the soundtrack.
Okay, don't be nervous. You need information on Craven, and you've got a press pass to get it with. Easy peasy. Never mind that if he finds out you're a photographer and not a reporter, he'll have you stuffed and mounted.
Yes, let's go. Oh, we're gonna change. All right.
Mr. Kravinoff? It's me, Peter Parker, from the Daily Bugle. We spoke on the phone. The door was open. Mr. Kravinoff?
Oh, I apologize for startling you. I am Craven. Please forgive my theatrics. I merely wish to demonstrate my skills.
The videos online do that pretty well. I saw you take down that Siberian tiger with your bare hands, without hurting it.
Tigers are endangered.
I simply relocated the beast for its own safety, as well as that of the local villagers. True hunters wish to conserve the natural world. It is where we find peace.
You're a long way from the natural world.
I craved a new challenge. I came here to hunt the monsters Oscorp created. The cross-species. The deadliest combination of animal and human. I ended their threat. But I grew fond of your city. And your city grew fond of me. And I decided to stay.
Except now you're hunting normal people.
No! Only criminals. Only those who prey on their fellow man have anything to fear from me.
Alright, so how do you... latest hunt.
Is man really the most dangerous game?
In their own way, yes. But men are merely highly evolved animals. The current crime wave provides fascinating opportunities to study them. The patterns of the various factions.
And what are you finding out?
That criminals are not unlike beasts. They have hunting grounds, specific behaviors. Many travel in packs, but there are differences.
Such as?
Animals prey on others for survival. Only human beings are willfully cruel.
How do the police feel about you?
Based on my experience, research, the police aren't big fans of vigilantes.
The police had their chance to stop the crime wave. They failed miserably.
I don't think they like being reminded of that.
I do not wish to insult them, but it would be a far greater crime to have the power to help, but refuse to act. Would you not agree?
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I would.
What about the task force?
This new task force is sending a pretty strong message. No vigilantes.
I do not trust them. They are paid for by Fisk. I am sure you've heard the rumors of his illegal activities.
Sure, everyone has. But no one can prove it. And the police seem okay with him.
Because he has paid those who are corrupt. The rest are desperate to avoid looking incompetent. Well, the public is desperate for an end to the crime wave. I have only one agenda. To get results.
Alright, finish the conversation then. Wrap it up.
So you're saying you feel a responsibility to use your power to help?
Yes. To have such power and not use it is to be unworthy of it.
Well, thanks. I think our readers will find this very interesting.
Good, good. I must take this call, but please, look around. Take pictures of anything you wish. Yes? No, I said tranquilizer darts. No, I have no interest in automatic weapons. They require no skill. I am an artist!
Snap 3 pictures of interesting objects. Alright, I'm sure the game is gonna tell me which objects are interesting anyway, but... Oh, this is interesting. Cha-ching!
Great composition.
Examine the snake. Please don't make me take a picture of something that I don't want to. Come on. I think it's gonna make me actually. Hold on. Yeah.
can do better than that.
Oh, come on. It went green for a second, and then it went... Alright, no.
Just what I wanted. Just what I needed.
The photography is... things... Huh? What? The photography sessions are stupid in this game, honestly.
Just the image I wanted.
Let's go.
Pardon the interruption. Would you care to see my latest trophies?
Let's go see his trophy. Let's go see his trophy.
Cross species. Beautiful. Are they not?
I thought Spider-Man captured them.
An inadequate solution. They escaped.
So you killed them?
To save the lives of their victims, yes. But also in self-defense. They were deadly opponents.
I know. I mean, I can imagine.
Do you have powers?
They all had superhuman powers. How'd you beat them?
I have trained myself to the peak of human ability and learned many natural means of enhancement. Not drugs, like the scum who pollute the streets, but the secrets of native cultures. Herbs, potions, mysteries forgotten by so-called civilized man.
When do you consider it okay to kill?
When there is no other choice. I do not take life lightly. But when it is necessary, I do not hesitate. If my failure to act cost the life of an innocent person, I could not live with myself.
I know what you mean.
Carnage. Let's ask about Carnage.
Hunting criminals. Some people might wonder if you're the Carnage killer.
He is no hunter. but a brute, a savage. His very existence is offensive to men like myself.
So even though he's hunting criminals, you'd like to take him down?
Of course. He dishonors what I do. Without honor, Peter, the hunt means nothing.
Wrap it up.
Last question. Is there anything you haven't accomplished yet?
Yes. I would like to leave a legacy when I am gone. Pass my training to a protege. My only family is a brother who, well, he chose a different path. I never had a son, but perhaps... forgive me. I am becoming melancholy as I get older. So, do you have what you need, Mr. Parker?
Yeah, I think I do.
Alright, exit the Craven's Loft. I'll take a look at these first. I have no idea who this guy is. I have no idea who this guy is. Maybe if I can zoom in? Piranha. I've never heard of this villain. Never. What about this one? Is this lizard? Iguana. Again, I have no idea. I know this guy's a scorpion. Let's get out of here. Yep. My question is his costume gonna get repaired now? Let's see. Oh, he's back in the... It's the phone.
Whitney!
Whitney? Should I be jealous?
Who is this?
That's no way to talk to a lady. Or even me.
Felicia? This is the number I gave Whitney Chang. How'd you get it?
The name's Black Cat, as in cat burglar. As in I get my hands on things I'm not supposed to. How about you, Spider? Do you ever get your hands on things you're not supposed to?
I heard you were back in jail. Listen, if you're calling to tease me about breaking out...
I'm insulted. I can think of a lot more fun things to tease you about.
If you're smart, you'll get out of town before I find the time to chase you.
Funny. That's what I was going to say to you. Things are getting dangerous around here, Spider. Why don't we chase each other out of town, hmm?
I'm too busy to fool around with you. I mean, play games with you. Bye, Felicia.
Alright. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna get some sleep. It's 2 AM over here. I want to thank everyone for hanging out. Amy for the raid. And everybody that followed the raid. Thank you for whoever subscribed. Thank you so much. You know what I feel like doing? I'm gonna award everyone some pants. Because I feel like it. So if anybody's in chat right now, show yourself. So that I will give everybody some pants. Let me just do that real quick. I forgot how to do it. There we go. Rewards. There we go. Reward. 100. There's Toba. Let's see. Does it work like that? I think so. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I'll try. I don't think so tomorrow though. I'll try. Bye, have a great time.